Hey, welcome back to Almost Outdoors. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog your RV toilet, and that's kind of why I'm standing here. So let's get this video on the road, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so I had a problem with my toilet. Obviously, I turned my water off. So we're going to turn the water off so we can see where the clog is down in the tank. You can get a flashlight or whatever you want. I can see the bottom of my tank now. I couldn't before, but you want to make sure you turn your water off. Once you turn your water off, you're going to hook it up to your black tank flush and let that thing completely fill up. Let your tank fill up. It's probably going to read something different on your sensor. Sorry, I'm moving out to my sensor. Mine always read like a third full, so here's your sensors. Little indicators. So my black was always reading a third. My gray is always reading a third. If it focuses, there we go. Obviously this one's I was doing some dishes earlier. So when you push on your black as you're filling, you want to make sure you're watching the fill level. The other thing you can do is open the valve for the toilet and watch the water level from there. You can watch the water level from your toilet to see if that'll break up some of the clog, which it should, because it swashes it around. Sloshes it, swash, whichever one it is. Slosh it, smush it. So, you're going to watch the water level. You're going to shut your black tank flush off. You're going to get a pot of hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling water. I wouldn't suggest that. That way, if it comes back and spills on you or splashes out of the toilet, you're not going to get third-degree burns just from trying to unclog your crapper. So, you're going to pour that water down the drain with the flap open. Alright? That should take care of your clog. Now, once you open that flapper for your toilet, my particular camper, it's only about a foot and a half down to the bottom of a tank, so I had a clog in there. There was toilet paper and, well, let's just call it, call it what it is, poo there, and it wouldn't go down at all. So I let the black tank fill up, and it kind of broke up some of that mess, and then I poured the water down over it, and it kind of dispersed it. Now I can see the bottom of my tank, which is really, really good. So, turn your water off, fill up your black tank with your black tank flush, let that fill up completely, watch your indicator, pour hot water down the toilet, and then empty your tank out after that, and make sure you see if you can see the bottom of it. You may now have to add another pot of water down in there after you empty it. You may have to do this repeatedly quite a few times. Another good thing for you to clean off your tanks as you're driving down the road, leave a little bit of residual water in there and pour like a bag or two of ice down there in the toilet, down the toilet in the tank. So when you're driving that road, it'll kind of slosh around the tank there and break up any kind of particles of anything that may be on the sensor or anything, just kind of loosen things up a little bit, almost like its own little personal blender. So, if you have any questions or comments, put them below. Thanks for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. I love doing RV videos because things happen to me that I don't want to happen to you. Thanks for watching me in my bathroom next to my crapper. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe for more RV videos and just family fun camper videos. Almost Outdoors. See ya!